Does your home feel dark even during the day? That's usually not a lighting problem, it's an orientation problem. In this video, I'll show you how proper orientation can flood your rooms with natural light, cut down on electricity bills, and make your home feel alive. This video is sponsored by JLCMC. More on this later. Natural light is one of the most valuable free resources we have. A well-oriented home reduces the need for artificial lighting, lowers heating costs in winter, and creates healthier indoor environments. On the other hand, poor orientation can leave your rooms dark, damp, and dependent on electricity even during the day. So, orientation is not just about looks, it's about comfort, efficiency, and sustainability. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west, but its angle changes with seasons. In summer, the sun is high in the sky. In winter, it's lower and shines more directly into your home. This is why orientation isn't one size fits all. It depends on your climate. In hot climates, shading is critical. The west side gets the harshest afternoon sun, so it should have the least windows or smaller, shaded openings. The south side also needs shading, like verandas, pergolas, or long roof overhangs, to block the high summer sun. East-facing windows are okay, but can be controlled with light curtains or screens. In cold climates, you want the opposite. Put large windows on the south to collect as much winter sunlight as possible. For mixed climates, balance is key. Place bigger windows on the south, but always add shading devices, like horizontal louvers or adjustable screens, that block the high summer sun while letting in the low winter sun. Now, let's talk about how to actually use orientation when planning your rooms. But of course, good design isn't just about planning. It's also about having the right components and tools to bring that design to life. At JLCMC, we're your one-stop shop for mechanical, electrical, and mechatronic parts, from fasteners and bearings to sensors, wiring, and motion systems, all in one place. Need technical drawings or 3D models? We've got you covered. We help engineers, designers, and makers bring their designs to life, smoothly and efficiently. For more information, click the link in the description. East-facing rooms catch the morning sunlight. This light is soft, warm, and very healthy. That's why bedrooms and kitchens work best here. You wake up naturally with the sunrise in your bedroom, and the kitchen feels bright and fresh during breakfast time. In the Northern Hemisphere, south-facing rooms receive sunlight almost the entire day. That makes them perfect for living rooms, family areas, or dining spaces, places where you want warmth, brightness, and energy throughout the day. West-facing rooms get strong afternoon sun. This light can be harsh and cause overheating, which is not ideal for bedrooms. So, it's smarter to use the west side for storage rooms, bathrooms, or staircases. But if you do have bedrooms here, make sure you use shading elements like curtains, louvers, or even trees to block the heat. North-facing rooms receive soft, indirect light all day long. The best part is, this light is consistent and glare-free. That makes it ideal for studies, offices, or creative spaces where you need steady daylight without the heat or sharp shadows. Orientation doesn't just affect sunlight, it also controls how air flows through your home. By aligning windows and openings with the prevailing wind direction, you can create cross-ventilation, where fresh air enters from one side and exits the other. This naturally cools your rooms and reduces the need for fans or AC. Even the height and size of openings matter. High vents let hot air escape while lower ones pull cooler air in, a natural process called the stack effect. In short, good orientation helps your home breathe, keeping it cooler, fresher, and more comfortable year-round. So, before you even think about finishes or interiors, remember, orientation is the foundation of a comfortable, energy-efficient home. If you're planning to build, make sure you get this step right. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone building a home. And let me know in the comments, which way does your current home face?